Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Southern Coastal Highway. We are in Harborview now, and this road that we're on is going to be a part of the Southern Coastal Highway. This highway starts in Harborview in St. Andrew and will run all the way to Port Antonio in Portland. This is the largest road project that the Jamaican government has on the way in Jamaica. And actually the only project that's slated to be larger than this one would be the expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway. So where we are now, this road is going to be 4 lanes from the Harborview Bridge all the way to 11 miles in Bull Bay. The Southern Coastal Highway will run along the route of the existing road. So the road that we're on now is 2 lanes, but it's going to be 4 lanes when the highway is finished. So the highway will run along this route. So this is where we are. And so if you notice on the right, the place has been cleared. You notice that concrete wall has been moved back because the highway is going to be 4 lanes. And since it's running along the existing roadway, and you know in Jamaica they love to build stuff right up against the road, a lot of structures had to be removed. So let's take a look at the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway. So this highway is going to be 110 kilometers, a highway quality road from Harborview to Port Antonio. In most cases it's going to be 4 lanes, in some cases it will be 2 lanes. But it's going to have the concrete barricade in the middle, just like Highway 2000. However, this road will not be a toll road. It's being built by the Jamaican government and no toll will be collected on this road. Basically, it's free to use. There you can see they've cleared the way on the right. This is Bull Bay in St. Andrew. Bull Bay is in both St. Andrew and St. Thomas, but we haven't entered the parish of St. Thomas yet. So there you can see the construction work going on the right and on the left too, because some of those walls look like they were moved. Of course, we shouldn't have to say it. Everybody can guess who the contractor is for this highway. It's China Harbour Engineering Company. Actually, you've heard in the news a lot about problems residents are having with the building of this road. So I guess we should say China Harbour Engineering Company is the main contractor. But at some points, or in some sections of the highway, because it's being built in sections, they have outsourced the work to local subcontractors. There are 10 local subcontractors on this project. And we all know, or you hear in the news, what's going on. But this section that we're driving from, which is actually section 1A, runs from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallows Bridge. And that's where we are. We are going through Bull Bay. And we are driving on this section from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles in Bull Bay. And for that section of the road, it runs along the existing roadway. At 11 miles, it takes a new path and a new road was built over the hill. And then it comes back out by the Sun Coast Adventure Park, where it runs along the alignment of the existing road, all 4 lanes, and then bypasses Grandspin by taking a new route and then goes through Albion and in and down to the Yallows Bridge. So this is the section from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles Bull Bay, which will be 4 lanes, and it's running along this existing road. So that's great news for the residents and the persons who operate businesses along this road, because they're just going to see an increase in traffic. However, for areas like Grandspin and parts of Bull Bay that the new alignment takes, those areas are going to see a drop-off in traffic, basically. Because why would you drive on the old road when you have a new 4-lane highway you can drive on? So both on the left and the right at this section, they are working on the new lanes. And this highway started in 2017 and it's scheduled to finish in 2025. However, some sections are actually finished already, and we're going to actually drive on those sections. So you can search the channel for the finished section, Southern Coastal Highway, and you'll see what it looks like. However, this section is not complete. But as they finish a section, they'll open it. But the entire highway from Harborview to Port Antonio is scheduled to be finished in 2025 or by 2025. Surprised I don't see any no construction workers or equipment working. Yes, it's close to Christmas, so maybe they took a break. Or maybe they're just working on another section. Hi guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.